Alright guys, I want to share with you a marketing system which is called Lead Capture Page Boss. As you're looking out on my screen, I'm going to quickly go over some resources that they have, and I'm going to share with you how you can create a capture page. So this is my back office. You simply go to leadcapturepageboss.com. You can register, get a free account, and we are going to scroll down. Here's some tools that you get. Lead management, which is basically your CRM. Every time you get opt-ins, they will be in this category here. I have leads going all the way down this page, so we're gonna scroll back up. I don't feel like scrolling all the way down, but I have several pages of leads in this system. So we're going to go back. I say we're going to go to the dashboard. I'll show you a couple other things here. This is where you will go to create capture pages. Your primary capture page will be for Lead Capture Page Boss to promote it. And then you have capture pages that you can create and landing pages. This is your account settings as to edit personal information. The affiliate center is where you will go to promote Lead Capture Page Boss if you choose to do so. But for this tutorial video, I'm just sharing with you some resources of this system, how you can use it for absolutely free. So your affiliate links will be here, and then you also have system tools. Guys, you can create a autoresponder or connect an autoresponder to this free marketing system. Okay, there's email templates. You can use the send a broadcast option that is available to you. You could actually create some HTML forms here. So this is a lot of value that you get for a free marketing system. For something like this, typically will cost you about $30, $50, or even $100 a month to have these same resources. And I know this from experience. To have what I'm showing you, what you have your hands on, you have to spend quite a bit of money each month. And this is a free system with no monthly costs. Okay, so I actually came across this on YouTube, and I've come across several free marketing systems with probably about 10% functionality to, if you want to actually do something with a marketing system, you have to pay a monthly fee, monthly subscription. Okay, this is free, guys. This is absolutely no monthly cost. Okay, so I'm going to create a page. I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to go down here. There's already made templates. You could pick whatever template you want to use, guys. They give you a lot. This is just the landing page. I'll take you to the capture pages too. So we're going to go back to the dashboard. And we're going to scroll back down to your system pages, and we're going to click on capture pages. These are all the templates that you get for absolutely free. This does not cost you any money, guys. All of this for free. You can create pages from scratch if you choose to. It's just easier to use a template that they already have and customize it, guys. Okay, so let's see, which one am I going to pick? Because I'm just going to create something quick for you guys to show you how powerful this is. They kind of already have some that are niche based. Here's one for coffee if you're in a coffee business, detox, weight loss business if you're in a pet care business, a gold and silver business, anti-aging skincare business here. If you're in like a penny matrix or auction retail, they have some generic ones that you can customize too. Here's one for weight loss that you can customize. You could choose it and then edit it the way you want. So we're going to pick, let's see, we're going to pick one here. So as you see, it has a pretty good background, guys. So you can edit all of this the way you want to. And then you could put a video here, whatever video for whatever business that you want for zero cost. I can't stress that enough, guys. To find something like this, a lot of companies, affiliate programs, they charge you for this kind of stuff, guys. And this is free. You don't need to spend $100 a month for stuff like this, guys. That's just, guys. I wish I would have came across this sooner. I really do, because I would have saved a ton of money. And a lot of these systems that I've bought that are charging $50 to $100 a month have a lot of limitations on them, and you could do a lot with this system for absolutely free. So we are going to go back and we're going to edit this page because this is the page that I want to use. So we're going to click on Edit Page Settings. Okay, and you click on this. Once you make the changes, you click on this to open up in a new window or a new browser. And then you could also duplicate this page if you want to share it with somebody else. You can click on roll back to the restore page. So if you create a page and you don't like the way it is, you can just click on this and it'll go back to the original. Okay, and you can click on this to turn the HTML off, but we don't want to do that. Okay, so let me share with you. Actually, let me scroll down some more here. Okay, so page settings. So this WYSIWYG editor, this is where you will edit the page with the text, the font, the color, all of that stuff. Okay, you do your body, your description there, and then your meta is going to be like keywords and description. This is going to be for SEO purposes. And then your form data is, you can choose to have the name, email, phone number on or off, address, city, state. You can customize this a lot, guys. Look at this. And then you also have page data here. Now, the page data, this is where you will put your link to whatever your offer is, whatever program or business that you are advertising, that you're promoting. Your link goes here. Okay. There's even an option for live chat if you want that. Password reset and all of that. So, and if you want a header, you can customize it there. And then page variables. This is where you can edit your own background image. Okay. And they have one for you. They have a button to choose for you as well. Here's image tab for video backgrounds if you want to make it a video background instead of just a picture. So I'm going to create something really quick. Okay, you can make something just like this. Okay, I'm just going to keep this. because I want to make this video short. So it's just that simple, guys. It's very, very simple to do. You don't have to be a techie. You don't have to have a lot of technical experience to do this. This is simple. So I'm going to leave the name on, email. I'm going to turn the phone off because for the fact people do not like to give out their phone number. And I've learned through experience, if you actually have a capture page with just name and email, you will get more opt-ins versus asking for a phone number. And a lot of people will not actually put in their real phone number if you ask for it because they don't want you to call them. Okay? So they'll put in a bogus number, a number that doesn't belong to them. So with that, I'm going to scroll up and click on View Your Page on the Internet. Okay, actually I forgot to save my changes. So we're going to go back and now let's just say I want to change the color of this. So we're going to copy this and then we're going to go to color here and we want to make this, let's just say we're going to pick this color here, blue. There you go. And then save changes. Okay. So we're going to open this in a new tab. And there's the page, guys. It's as simple as that. So the only thing that I did was change the text here. Doesn't that page look cool? You don't need a fancy system to spend $50 to $100 a month when you can create something like this that's just as good for free. Okay, so I hope that you gain some value out of this. If you have a team, if you're in a business and you have a team, you could put everybody on this system, guys, because a lot of people, from my experience, are not willing to spend $50 or more, even $30 a month for a system plus their business overhead, monthly auto ship or monthly subscription. So this will actually duplicate a lot more for people. So you could put people on this system, and if they decide, there's also an option you can upgrade if you're more experienced in HTML coding and you want all the bells and whistles. You could actually upgrade, and people who do upgrade, if you decide to become an affiliate and promote this, and other people do the same thing, you can earn commissions for this. But I just wanted to share this quick video of this free marketing system that you can actually customize the way you want. You can connect Aweber, GetResponse, Traffic Wave, any kind of autoresponder, or create your own with this system. So take care. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.